म्युनिसिपालिटीन त्या फिश मिलाक ओपोज केलेले आसा आणि तुम्ही त्याच्या विषय काढलेलो. सो व्हॉट इज युअर अगेन?
See, I welcome the decision taken by the municipality. I think unanimously they have decided to oppose the upcoming said fish mill. Now, प्रश्न ऐसा है, who is mastermind in trying to fool the people of Kunkolim? Who is this mastermind within the ruling? Forcefully कोणाली पार्टनरशिप आहा? कोण हे मुखार घालपाक सोदता? म्हाका दिसता लोकांमध्ये थोडे दिसांनी इट विल बी क्लियर. This was an assurance given to me by the chief minister. Existing थिंगा घाणपड जाता. Existing इतले ETP प्लांट सारखे चल्ले. Existing it is a red category industry. आहा तीच बंद करपा आमी प्रयत्न करताय. आणि तेज भायर हे पड बारशे येताले तेच मनीस आज हिंगा हे फिश मिल प्लांट कुंकोळच्या इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटा हाडपाक सोदता. This is nothing but a clear cut double standard on the part of the government. And clearly why should only घाण हे सारखे ETP क्लिअरन्स नाही, फिश मिल उदो हे येत असता आणि देर इज नो प्रॉपर इतले पोल्युशन जाता, वास इतलो येता, देर इज नो ओडर कंट्रोल, देर इज नो प्रॉपर फिल्ट्रेशन सिस्टम. इतले करून म्हाका दिसता आफ्टर द कुंकोलीम municipality has resolved today, I have also written to the chief minister and I fail to understand how IPB has given taken such a drastic step. आणि हे पड कोण जोरी तर आमदार आणि रुलिंगाचे जे मंत्री आहेत ते घरा हाटल्यान घालची फिश मिल, तेंगे इतली इंट्रस्ट आहा तरी धंद करपाक आणि हे सो इंडस्ट्री हाडपाक जाल्यार तेमी तेंगेले घरा हाटल्या ही हाडची आणि मागीर चोय आमी कितें जाता. सो इट इज व्हेरी क्लियर that we will not allow such type of existing fish mill plants that is harmful to the environment. Directly the discharge directly goes into river Sal. And today this particular airport fish mill करपाक सोदता बारीकशे आज बोर्ड घेवन आसले कोण फॉर्मेलिन नाका हे नाका ते नाका. दिस इज कंप्लीट अ हेल्थ हेजर्ड. People are dying. Recently, Bali Health Centeraचे report चोयल्यार so many people are get so many type of diseases, lung diseases, people within the close proximity of the industrial estate. आणि हे पड सगळी पड लायसन्स दिले ती रूट्स ऑर रिवोक करपाक आमी मुखार प्रयत्न करतले. Municipality will write to IPB, municipality will write to Goa State Pollution Control Board. I have spoken to the chairman itself. And he has agreed that this is not in the interest of the state. Honorable Chief Minister said that this industry will not come in the last assembly session. So I fail to understand who is pushing, who was pressurizing the chief officer, who was pressurizing the ME. Pakistan, the municipality has shown. No wonder the municipality chairperson pada. It is the only Congress ruled municipality in the state of Goa. They have opposed it. Ejmukar, je pottinga ganjata, khas kor even the hazardous waste. We have been very vociferous and we will not tolerate and come under any pressure. Come what may, we are with the people of Kunkolim and we have to make sure e pod curse has of industrial estate. This curse, je pod air quality index monitor galpak jay, je odor system जावपाक जाय, सारखे फिल्ट्रेशन जावपाक जाय, hazardous waste going out of the state. All these things I am fighting for. I am confident that in few months these things have to be implemented.
कोण आमदार तुझ्या घरा फाटल्यान घाल म्हणटा म्हणून
ते रुलिंगा पड कोण घेवन भोंवताय ते सगळ्या खबर आहा. कोण सारखे या फिश लॉबी कोण प्रोटेक्ट करताय. You find out, no? You find out whose peoples who are involved, who are partners in that. We उगड जातले मरे ते सगळे आणि हेज मुखार उगड जातले. सो ही दादागिरी हुकुमशाही ते कुंकळ चलपाना तुंगेली या BJP सरकारा चलपाना.